After completing this trip, Mayapuri Wax Museum, now I will be heading towards the Tribeni Sangam, where the three oceans meet each other: the Indian Ocean, the Arabic Ocean, and the Bay of Bengal. We will be heading towards that. Our next destination, Tribeni Sangam. The route is the same as we have came, but I'll be not heading towards our hotel, but just opposite of that road. Towards Tribeni Sangam. Just need to go straight from the main road and have to take the left. It's also 10 to 15 minutes walk from here, Tribeni Sangam. From hotel, Sunrise, it is 5 to 10 minutes, and from the Wax Museum, from where I am going to my next destination, Tribeni Sangam, the distance is near about 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes, minimum 15 minutes walking from here. Yes, on my left hand side, cricket is being played in the red soil pitch. Very rare to see red soil pitch, but one of them I am able to see just in front of my eyes. The red soil pitch. Going forward towards our destination. Ten to 15 minutes walk is left to reach our destination, Tribeni Sangam. And literally, after looking on the ground and everyone playing cricket, getting remembered of our school, my personally school days and college days, where I also used to play cricket like this with my friends. And basically more football. I most prefer football, but I also love playing cricket, and I have also played very much cricket in my college and school days. Now going forward to our destination. From this point I will be taking the left. That will take me to my destination, Tribeni Sangam. The road is little steep downwards. And I will try to have some milk to drink before I go to the Tribeni Sangam. If I am lucky, then I will be getting the milk from the shop just in front of our hotel. Let's see. These are few restaurants, food restaurants, Mumbai Dhaba, like that. Local shops, Delhi Punjabi Dhaba. Let's see our milk is ready or not. Yes, I am able to see the shop owner is preparing the milk for tea and coffee, but I will be having pure milk. No tea, no coffee, only milk. Let's see, can he provide milk? And here is the road that will take to us to the Tribeni Sangam, but first I will be having milk to drink. Let's see. Anna, one milk.
अन्ना तो पानी
चीनी, हाँ, शक्कर ज्यादा, हाँ. He is taking the milk. Wow. Hot milk. I'll be having the milk. It's too hot. Not able to hold properly. But it gives true energy after having it. I'm not able to hold it for long. Completing drinking of my milk, I will be heading towards the Tribeni Sangam. Let's finish first the milk. Great taste. In my milk, now heading towards the Tribeni Sangam. Now entering the street just opposite to our hotel. This is the same street which leads to the ferry services, from where the ferry can be taken to the Vivekananda Rock Memorial. But for today, the ferry service has been totally terminated due to heavy and strong winds in the ocean. So, traveling for the local sites today. Different shops are there. Just on my left, from here the ferry services are taken, but for today it has been terminated. Now we are going forward, and in this video I am also covering the Kanyakumari market, a local market area, different stores. I am not making another video for that. For this market area I am not making another video. I am covering within this one only. Different types of shops are there. Shirts are getting sold. Different colored shirts. Going forward, the marketplace is very much unique as it holds different kinds of shops. And ladies especially can buy sarees. The South Indian silk sarees ladies can buy from here, from the shops present here, with very much cheaper rate. I will not say directly cheaper, as it will belong to the hands of the shop owners how much they will sell for. It will be totally upon them. I'm not saying cheaper or greater price. I'm not saying nothing. But lots of stores are there we have, and ladies can buy sari and any other items. There is no restriction in buying. Hotel Saravana, one of the very famous hotels of Kanyakumari. Hotel Saravana. DM Silk Sarees, Ravi Enterprise, lots of shops are there. Now heading towards our location, the Triveni Sangam, where the three oceans meet each other: the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, and the Bay of Bengal. Three seas meet each other. Triveni Sangam. Varieties of shops. Flower shops. Trunks. And we have to pass Lakshmi Mata temple to reach our Triveni Sangam point. Adulmigu Bhagavati Amman temple. Just in front of us is the temple, Lakshmi Mata temple, Adulmigu Bhagavati Amman temple. Currently I am not going inside the temple, heading towards my location. Taking right or left, just from the in front of the temple, Lakshmi Mata temple, will lead to the Triveni Sangam point. I have taken the right. Anyone can take left also. The left is having less steps. So if any elderly person is there, he or she can take the left from the temple front gate. Now heading towards the Triveni Sangam. And in this place, the Triveni Sangam place, one more spot covers, which is the southernmost point of the India. The southernmost point of the India. I will try to cover that as well, but let's see. Lots of trees, coconut trees are more, flower trees, yellow flowers are there, and currently it's 5:35 p.m. in the clock, evening time. It's the perfect time to visit this place. And we are here at the Triveni Sangam point. Just a wow view. Great. Drinking water facility is there. RO purified water is available. The sun lots of shops. Varieties of shops are present in this place, Triveni Sangam point. Lots of kids are there from different schools. Now as we are going forward, we will be having the view of the sea. Different fruit shop. Fruits are getting sold. Now we are getting more down. Here also drinking water facility is there. And the Kanyakumari Vivekananda rock is clearly visible from here. Trying to find a empty space from where I can stand and take a good one space is getting empty and another spot. The Triveni Sangam. Lots of people taking bath, touching water by their bare feet. Here is the sunset time. 5:40 p.m. is the time in the clock. The 360 view I'm trying to capture from the Triveni Sangam spot. The sun is getting set at the west. The current of the wind is not too strong, but it's okay. Oh, okay. There's this place, the Triveni Sangam point, just behind me, where the three seas meet each other. The three seas, Indian Ocean, the Arabic Ocean, and the Bay of Bengal. The three seas meet each other at this place, the Triveni Sangam. The sun is getting set. Lots of people are here present. The ocean is making some waves today that are coming hard and hitting the banks. A wow view. Now going more at a different place. Let's see. Little kids are playing around. Now, at this point, the current of the wind is too much high. Just before the place I was standing at the Tribeni Sangam point, the wind was okay, but here the wind is too much powerful. Currently standing at the point Tribeni Sangam, where the three oceans meet each other: the Indian Ocean, the Arabic Ocean, and the Bay of Bengal. Huge amount of crowd is present at the Pongal festival is going on. Back you can see the Vivekananda Rock Memorial and the Triveni Sangam point. Currently it's 6:05 p.m. in the clock in the afternoon. Huge amount of crowd has appeared. Huge amount of crowd is here. Huge. During Pongal festival, huge amount of crowd is present. And the current of the wind is too much. There also current of the wind. The lights are slowly getting lighted up. we have reached our destination. And today, that's all for today. And tomorrow, I'll be going to another new place to visit a local sightseeing place, and most probably I'll be visiting that one. So, bye from Bye.